Hi again, Attorney Steve Vondran. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Litigation Warrior. Okay, so this is going to be a really short one for you, but some people have asked me, what is the 7.1 disclosure requirement when you're in federal court? This is when you file a federal court action. I've got up here a sample in the United States District Court for the District of Arizona. When you're a corporation and you're filing a lawsuit or you're answering a complaint or you're making your appearance in a federal court case like a copyright infringement or trademark infringement case, you need to fill out this corporate disclosure statement. Now, this can be on a pleading paper, but Arizona has it real nice here. It's all filled out. Just put your name, your bar number, your firm, put all that in there, the plaintiff, who's the defendant, the case number. And as you can see here, there's essentially three different grounds you want to be talking about, 1, 2, or 3. But essentially, the main one here is Rule 7.1. And all this says is the judge and the court wants to know if anybody else owns 10% or more of stock in the corporation. And that's kind of the main deal here. So if so, you're going to disclose who those parties are. It may be another LLC with an interest in your corporation, but you need to let the judge know why. The main reason for this is the judge wants to evaluate whether or not they need to recuse themselves from the case. So all you're doing really is just saying either there is no such corporation, there is no party, there is no other entity that owns anything. And as it notes here, a supplemental disclosure will be filed. So in other words, if there's a change of ownership, sometimes people sell their business in the middle of a lawsuit. Hopefully they're disclosing that to the other party. But you're just putting that in here. You're giving that information and there's a certificate of service base, but you're giving the judge, and that's your proof of service. So you're just allowing the judge a chance to see whether or not they need to recuse themselves because there's somebody else with an ownership interest that perhaps the judge owns stock as well. So there may be a conflict. That's the purpose of this 7.1 form. This is general legal information only and not legal advice. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks a lot. We'll chat again.